Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find hidden apps on Samsung Galaxy M36 5G. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, security settings, and accessibility features. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. In the search bar, type Hide Apps on Home and App screens and wait for the search results to load. This option helps you manage which apps appear on your home screen and app drawer. Step 4. After performing the search, find Hide Apps on Home and App screens and tap on it. Then, tap again to access the Hidden Apps menu. Step 5. For the last and most important step, you'll see a list of all hidden apps. To unhide an app, tap on the app and then select Done. The app will instantly reappear on your home screen or app drawer. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.